Hi guys, today I have an unboxing. I got two Santa sacks from Willow yarns right here. Let's see what we got inside. We have a knitting pattern, hat and cow. Then we got Tara. The color is crepe. It's 82% acrylic and 18% wool. It's very soft. It's very, very soft. So I got 1, 2, 3, 'Then I got these cakes. Willow wheels. And the color is Nirvana. %70 acrylic and 10% wool. They're very soft. I got 1, 2, 3, and I got 4 of those. I'm very happy in what I got. And they're the same colors. So I'm very happy in what I got in the sack. And here's the crochet pattern. It's a shawl. I'm very happy in what I got in this sack here. Not disappointed whatsoever. I got 4 of those. I just found the other one on. Here's the other sack. Got 2 patterns. Got a market tote. And then a blanket. Then got Willow down. This is very, very soft. Color is robin eggs. %89 bamboo and 11% polyester. So I got 1, 2, 4 of these color. Then I got 4 of the red. Then I got some more of these willow wheel yarn cakes. I got 3 of these. I'm very happy in the Santa sacks that I got. Not disappointed in anything that I got from them. And if you're thinking about getting the sacks, that's great. They're willow yarns. You get them in this little green burlap sack. So that is my Santa sacks from Willow Yarns. Thank you and have a good day.